So the Kiwis are set to go to court August the 7th for Cheik and August the 9th for Tashak. Now, let's go over some notes that she had reminded us of to let you guys know what is on Tashak's mind at this time.
Federal court has access to every scene. They're going back years. I don't have no reason to lie out here by me being broke. I'm broke. I done been broke before, and hopefully one day I'm gonna be up again. Once I get through this, it's gonna be a long process, but I'm gonna get through it like I get through everything else.
So going into the courtroom, we are going to find out what is the judgment whenever it comes to her taxes, because that's what she's really going to court for. And like she said, they are going back years and years and years. As many times as we have seen her, let's never forget where we came from, right?
The reason Cardi B is winning right now is because she's real. She speaks to a demographic that everybody can relate to because she came from that demographic. The pregnancy, her album was amazing. I got Cardi B's album on playlist in my car. And I just be, drip, drip, drip. All her songs. I'm like, my old ass sitting up in here talking I'm dripping in ice. And I don't own one diamond but this one, okay?
So y'all, I'm going to say people will not weigh down these receipts that she has left. But since she's opened up her mouth, we have found out through the grapevine and allegedly that things have come out the woodwork, like Nicki Minaj told Tasha K to beef with Cardi B and Armand Wiggins. It's a crazy scenario out there. But if the facts are all true, we've heard it before. Nicki pretty much gets her way. But many have broke their back for her. You got stuff like this.
If I took this L for you, you need to pay this bullshit, for real. Because I ain't motherfucking got it.
And I think really and truly she meant it when she said it. She might have been a little sarcastic at the time. When you say something, there's an underlying truth to it all. She was begging this woman for at least, a cut for sticking up for her the way she did, because evidently she chose a side. And we will see what happens when she goes into the courtroom this week, okay? We have heard that she's working very closely with law dogs and things of that nature. I mean, we have had, in this instance right here, where she admits that the law has gotten a hold of her, right?
2 weeks ago? They hit me in my hit me in all my emails, and they was like, "You're not in trouble," because I sure did think I was in trouble. So what the fuck I'm in trouble for? I was like, I only owe $140,000 in taxes. Wouldn't be the feds contacting me about taxes, or would they? And he was like, "You're not in trouble. Call me." So I called them, and it wasn't about me. It was about somebody I reported on. They asked for the information. I gave it to them. I was like, y'all need to employ me at this point. Y'all need to fucking give me a job at this point, okay? Please, I need the money. I need the money.
And then you had the actual come out of here and drop some evidence on what he found out on behalf of his case. Y'all stop playing.
BOP Officer A broke the law when she decided to steal and obtain my records 153 times, not 2 or 3 times, 153 times. He did it unauthorized. Tasha K said it. Obviously, absolutely. They just said some BOP officer leaked some information, but they're in the investigation. Sent them to her own personal Gmail account, bro. He wouldn't have done it. Bottom line is, before I run out of time, they broke the law and they was not arrested. This BOP
they retired. They gave them the option of retiring.
These are crimes. I believe they didn't get charged because someone had them do it, and if they would have gotten arrested, they would have had to come to court and they would have had to answer to it. You see the search warrant, you're 100% agree, because that's what it's telling you.
Now, y'all, we can say what we want about this, but we also know that if we've known people, okay, from certain sectors of the ghetto, that there are negotiations that go on the backside. If they know that you are exclusive to some content that it is hard for them to gather for a case that they're covering, they will use people on the outsource. When I say outsource, I mean people like Tasha K to develop storylines for them, or if not, to have key witnesses, to have these personal interviews with people that surround R. Kelly's existence. And that's just an example, but I'm saying, you think this is the only case that she's opening up her mouth to? I don't think so. Y'all give me your thoughts and theories in the comment section, because I can't wait until Monday and Wednesday. That's all I got to say. Leave your comments down below, and if you have not followed me, my name is Brandy. I'm How I See It, and I'll see you guys in the next ones. Bye.